Assalamualaikum. Here is Naveed Ahmed Seto. Yesterday we discussed the definite article. Yesterday's topic was the definite article. We solved 10 sentences relevant to the dictionary number 1, and here are 10 sentences more. We did the 10 sentences yesterday, and the remaining sentence we have to solve according to the rules and regulations of definite article, that where we should use, where we should not use the definite article. Here we have to learn. Number 11, horse is man's best friend. The horse is man's best friend. There is no need to write down definite article. Here is definite article. The horse, because horse classifies the whole class. It means we are talking about the species of horse. We are talking about the horse which refers to all horses. Here I have written down. Number means the nouns which represents whole class. We can add a definite article. Whereas this is the number total. Here I have written usage of definite articles. Where with whom we have to use. Yesterday we also wrote these points, but I have few more points added. Number 1, with all superlatives. We studied yesterday. With all superlatives we have to use definite article. Number 2, with nouns which refer to the whole class. With nouns which refer to the whole class. This topic matches to the number 11. The horse is a man's best friend. So similarly, with nouns which refers to the whole class, the dog is a faithful animal. The horse is a man's best friend animal. So these are the examples of animals, of nouns which represent their whole class. Here I am coming to the 12th number. All books in his library are novels. All the books. We must remember, whenever the word all is used in a sentence, after all we have to put down the definite article, but not it would be the all. The all books will be wrong, all the books will be correct. So all the books. Number 13, it is very important. Where do you usually go in summer? तमा अक्सर करे उन्होंने में करे काले में जाए. There is no need to write down the article with the names of seasons. To the seaside, to the country or the seaside. Here is country refers to village. So we can add it. There is particular to the country or the seaside. Ya samudri paso. The seaside is also particular place. That is why we have to write down here the with omission you have to note with the names of seasons. There is no need to write down article, definite article. That is why I am not written here. Yes, to the seaside. To the seaside. Samudra paase now. But the last summer. Here summer. Before summer the superlative degree last. That is why we have to write down the last summer. It means previous summer. Gudra unaru. Particular period. Then it is assigned that one. Back in the particular no, generally name of season it is particular. And he is talking about the previous. He is talking about the last summer. Means that is the particular. I went to Swiss Alps. Means the Swiss Alps. This is the point. We can write down the definite article with names of mountain ranges. Baba, mountain ranges sa definite article use करना है. The K2, the Karakoram, these are mountain ranges in Pakistan. Swiss Alps are mountain ranges in Switzerland. It means this is the series of mountains. There are many mountains in Switzerland, and those mountains are situated in a particular place that is known as the Swiss Alps. Alps mana Switzerland to Jabudu Kataru. So we can add a definite article with names of ranges of mountains. Similarly, we can also Himalaya mountains ranges, the Himalaya mountain ranges, we can also add definite article with the word Himalaya. So in this way, here the switch ends and the summer before. What is this the summer before? Means Agionaro. That is particular. The summer before that I stayed at home. देखो summer होने का आगो माँ घना में दर्शे the summer before. The last summer थियो and the summer before that I stayed at home. Particularize करना से it means the सांगे definite article to use करना. Number 15. Do you think women are more sentimental than men? No need of article because this is general statement. Women plural nouns. Here is omissions of noun. With names of plural nouns, whenever plural nouns are used as general, there is no need to put definite article. असा definite article से ना लगा जैसे plural nouns से संभालते हैं. Suppose birds are flying in the sky. Dogs are parking in the street. Dogs are parking at the beggar. Plural sense. Boys are playing in the ground. Women are busy at their homework. Women are busy at their household works. So no article. Plural sense generally used होते हैं. Plural nouns generally used है no article. Number 16 में generally नहीं. Women in that play were much better than men. ये जो that play are you in particularize तो करे women के भी men के भी. Now we are talking about women and men which were in the drama. Play were drama. Particular given the women in that play were much better than the men. हाँ ये अच्छा है. ये इलाका मतलब है देखो noun already refer किया. Noun already refer किया तो उन्हें बारे में बियर जिक्र करना है definite article रखना हो. As I told you yesterday, this is a pen. Indefinite article, this is a pen. Now the pen which you gave me yesterday, I have lost somewhere. हाणे मां ॿियो दफ़ो पेन जो ज़िक्र थो कयां. जेका पेन तव्हां कलम मूंखे ॾिनी उहा मां किथे विञाए छॾी आहे. त इहो छा थियो? इहो थी वियो noun refers again. We talk about the noun which we have talk about in last days. असां गुज़िरियल ॾींहं में हिकिड़े नाउन जे बारे में ॻाल्हि करे आहियूं. हाणे हुन जे बारे में ॿीहर था कयूं त पोइ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल मिलाइणो आहे. भले कॉमन नाउन हुजे पोइ ख़ासि थो थी वञे. एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस इज अ पेन. ए थो मिलायां इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल. वरी तो चवां द पेन विच यू गेव मी. पेन जेका तव्हां मूंखे ॾिनी न उहा ख़ासि थी वई न. छो जो पहिरियों तव्हां मूंखे ॾिनी पेन. हिकिड़ो ज़िक्र थियो पहिरियों तव्हां मूंखे पेन ॾिनी. हाणे हुन पेन जो मां ॿीहर ज़िक्र थो कयां. यार वो पेन जेका तव्हां मूंखे ॾिनी उहा मूंखां गुम थी वई आहे. उहा पेन ख़ासि थी वई. The pen you gave me yesterday, I have lost somewhere. You have to understand Kaniya, how we have to use definite article. 17 number, the independence. Independence of definite article used, of the United States. We studied yesterday the names of countries and states. In states or United or islands, we can use definite article like the United Kingdom, the United States of America, the USSR, the UAE short forms. Into short forms as well, we have to write down definite article, the UAE, the UK. So similarly, here is the United States of America. But the United States of America, but सिर्फ अमेरिका लिखना है with the names of country, there is no need of article because these are known as generally. The independence of the United States of America from the 4th of July begins or starts from the 4th of July 1776. Cardinal numbers I know. Ordinal numbers I cardinal numbers ना पढ़े हुआ adjectives में. देखिए ordinal numbers I sequence के show करना 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd उन्होंने definite article use थी हुआ. Here I have written down 5 points. Here the number 6 point with all ordinal numbers. We can use a definite article. Example: the first stanza. The last boy the 4th July, the 5th October. इन्हें का आसान डेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज करना नंबर 6 पॉइंट माइनर ते बेटा दो फिर डी एक्सप्लेन करे बेटा these get honey from flowers no article this is general sentence general statement and this is reality माखी मक्खियों गुलाब माखी हासिल करनी है no article there are snow-capped mountains in the Himalayas Himalaya जेको माउंटेन रेंज का मां ताके बुधायो उन जे करे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल जी जरूरत है the proper study of mankind the proper study of mankind is man no article the proper study of mankind is man ये असन एक्सरसाइज थी नंबर 1 डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स आर 11 हाणे मां चाह तो हेदे वाला यूसेज ऑफ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल में जेके पॉइंट्स आहिनि with all superlatives yesterday we also studied this is the I repeat once again the same point number 1 with all superlatives we have to write down definite article example the best the worst the cleverest the most honest number 2 with nouns which refer to the whole class the dog is a faithful animal the horse is a man's best friend definite article dog and horse sabhi ke qualify ta kan refer ta kan with the countries the names used as states or units are the United States the United Kingdom the United States of America the UK the USSR रशिया दिया इन का को the UAE शॉर्ट फॉर्म में भी असा आर्टिकल्स यूज करना से with the names of rivers sea island oceans mountains lakes bays इन्हें में डेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज करना है the river Indus the Ganga river the Ravi river the Atlantic Ocean the Pacific Sea the Bay of Bengal the Mount Everest the Kinjar Lake these are the examples of mountains rivers seas oceans bays and streams lakes etc number 5 with the names of countries used in nations countries का डाला होगा पर nations के represent कर the English are very industrious मतलब अंग्रेज तमाम बड़ा मेहनती है here English word refers to English people that is why we have write down are plural verb due to definite article the French are known as enemies of the German the French also qualify the people of French refers to people of France that is why we have written are plural verb due to definite article. And number 6 are with all ordinal numbers. The first Stanla, the last July, the 4th July, the 5th October. These are the 6 points where we must use definite article. The remaining points we will study in the next lecture. Inshallah, tomorrow. This topic is very lengthy and very useful. We have to complete it within few days. Here is omission. No usage of the जिते असांजे omission करणो आहे उहो पढ़णो आहे नंबर 1 with names of subjects पढ़ियो से कल भी त सब्जेक्ट जे नालनि सां आर्टिकल जी ज़रूरत कोन्हे का फिजिक्स इंग्लिश केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी मैथमेटिक्स नो नीड with names of languages कल पढ़ियो से no article French English German Russian Chinese no article with names of countries are big cities Karachi Pakistan India Mumbai Bangladesh whenever these are used generally there is no need of article number 4 with abstract nouns whenever they are used in general gold copper silver iron no article माता ने कल बतायो gold is a precious metal generally इस्तेमाल थियो no article पर particular इस्तेमाल है the gold of Saudi Arabia is famous in